谁妄想这样干，必将在14多亿中国人民用血肉铸成的钢铁长城面前碰得头破血流。
We are all affected by China's rise and rise, alarmed at aggressive rhetoric, wondering if our future is secure. China's propaganda, which is skillfully calculated to make it seem that what is in their interest is also in our interest, makes it hard for us to discern China's motives and intentions. Have you come across terms like Xiaokang, picking quarrels, or phrases like mass line, orderly withdrawal, low-level raid, and wonder what it all means? These jargons could throw you off and hamper your reading of China. The Chinese propaganda machinery, deeply embedded in global information dissemination and decision-making structure today, seeks to simulate reality into an alternative Chinese reality. But Tibetans who hear and read these propaganda slogans every day and who have lived alongside the much bigger and more powerful Chinese neighbors for many centuries really know how Chinese leaders think. To unpack these Chinese propaganda jargons using deep Tibetan insight, the Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy is shortly launching the much-awaited Decoding CCP website, a reliable guide to almost 500 jargon keywords for Tibetan, English and Chinese readers. Join us as we take a deep dive into the authoritarian mind.